Welcome back once more. This is Ktn Sports. Former Harambee Stars towering defender Musa Otieno is back to his roots, where he is nurturing young football talents from Maringo area here in Nairobi. He says the discrepancy between the South African PSL League and the Kenyan Premier League can be bridged. He spoke to our sports editor, Hassan Jamal.
Former national soccer team captain Musa Otieno has traced back his roots literally. The towering defender who last played his club football in South Africa with Santos has pitched camp at his former school, Dr. Krampf. He started the kick-off to Hope Academy with the sole aim of improving the lives of the youngsters in the Eastlands area of the Nairobi County.
I grew up as a community player, and I still believe that this is a talent which God gives to me, and it was just up to me to come and give back to the community.
Otieno believes his longevity in football is down to believing in God and has modeled his academy and laced it with the Christian values.
These are the kids who I think they're not the best in Maringo. It's just a matter of come to give them hope. Because come and give them hope in a sense that we don't charge anybody anything. From the boots, from the uniform, from whatever, you know. It's a matter of if you're having the talent, just come in and showcase your talent.
He retired at the age of 37 years, stuck with Santos as an assistant coach before returning back home. He believes the gap between the South African PSL and KPL is not big. However, Kenya needs to change its model into a business one to flourish.
The moment which football is going to be professional in Kenya, I think we'll get good results. In South Africa, football is a work. You know, you wake up in the morning, that is what you're going to do. You don't do well, you're out. Somebody else has come in and been signed.
But what motivated him to give back to the community, we sought to know.
Staying in Maringo in a family of 11, you know, I didn't have, like a proper bed, in a sense that, this is Musa's bed. Those are the things which were like making me even work even more harder.
For Musa Otieno, he's seen it all. He's been there, done that, and he believes that it's now time to give back to the community. A community that has given him so much. And he says he wants to do that through what he loves most, which is football. Reporting for KTN from Dr. Krampf Primary School at Maringo in Nairobi County, I'm Hassan Juma.
In volleyball, the Kenya Volleyball National Team coach Japhet Munala will be relying on a large pool of players drawn from various clubs to put together a winning team for the Women Volleyball World Cup set for September this year in Japan.
Finally qualified for the World Cup. What was the reason, or what can you accredit to that success?
Okay, what I can say that we went to Cameroon as to follow two things, but our main aim as a coach, my main aim was to qualify for World Cup. That's the stage that Kenya should be, not even in winning African Cup. We want to go a step higher on the world stage. We call a professional squad of around 24 players, both from all these 4 clubs. They come, then we start training, we start eliminating one by one. We have what we call statistics. We get statistics for each player, what she's best at, what she's good at, what her problem is. Then from there we judge who is in this position, who are the best players. We need 4 from left attackers. Then we go to our statistics. Then we know this one, at least this one is above this one is above this. Then we also go for experience. If you are good in scoring on the statistics, but you don't have that exposure, maybe you are going for a very senior challenge. So I might leave you for another chance, then get this experienced player, maybe a sort of 2 points or 1 point. We prefer to carry an experienced player.
Let's focus on another Malkia team, and despite finishing second at the 2015 and 2016 Inter-County Football Championships and producing a strike in the national team, Malkia Strikers, Kwale County Women Football Team continues to face a myriad of challenges. Tobias Chanji has those details.
Stacked in these tuk-tuks are Jungle Ladies players from Wabungo. Never mind those with kids, but they have to make it in time and participate in a local tournament where they are slated to play Kinondo Queens. This is the only available means of transport that they can afford. From lack of proper transport to poor field, the girls say there's nothing to inspire them at the moment.
Hii ni mechi yetu ya 3 toka tulivyoanza kucheza. Na mechi zote hatujawin. Kwa mazoezi yetu tumeanza tu ghafla, Wekesa alituambia mara moja na tukaa players kila mtu amedisappear, ikabidi niokote players niwaregeshe. Changamoto tulizokumbana nazo, kwanza timu yangu haina jezi tunafanya kuomba, usafiri ni shida, hatuna ball. Yaani tuko na weakness nyingi sana.
Na matibabu yoyote na mwenye atumia uwanjani ni akatibiwe na mzazi wake.
Mwanahalima Adam, popularly known as Dogo, is one of the players who was picked during the championship to play for the women national team Harambee Starlets, where she has currently cemented her position as a striker.
Sawa, wafadhili wakijitokezea na imani hii kaunti ya Kwale pia kutakuwa na wachezaji wakali zaidi.
Na hivi sasa mechi kama zaidi ya 10 imechezwa, lakini hapo katikati tumeshindwa, tunazirukaruka kwa sababu tuna usafiri ambao tunataka tuwe tunaweza kufikisha hawa watoto mahali wanafika na kina mama hawa. Lakini ajabu ni kwamba sehemu nyingi inahitaji pesa.
For now, this is the best pitch in the county of Kwale, but as you can see, there's nothing to write home about. Tobias Chanji, Ktn News, Kwale County.
Frenchman Cyril Despay put Peugeot into the lead of the Dakar Rally on Sunday as the French manufacturer bounced back from a difficult Dakar Rally opening day in the dunes around Pisco in southern Peru. 5 times winner on 2 wheels, Despay took over the top of the car classification from earlier starter Qatari Nasser Al-Attiyah, who had won Saturday's short first-timed stage from Lima. Despay ended the day with a 27-second lead over his compatriot, teammate and defending champion Stefan Peter Hansel, who is chasing his 14th Dakar title. Peugeot finished 1-2-3 in the stage with 9 times World Rally champion Sebastian Loeb third after losing his brakes on Saturday. South African Junior De Villiers was third place overall for Toyota, however 5 minutes 44 seconds behind Despay. Toyota's Al-Attiyah had the handicap of opening the 267-kilometer stage, a loop around Pisco with no motorcycle trucks. For guidance this time, and his French co-driver Mathieu Bomo feeling unwell in a stage requiring careful navigation. And on that Dakar Rally note, that's where we leave it for the program this Monday night, the 8th day of January 2018. For all of us here on KTN Prime, I'm Ben Kitili. Thank you for watching, and good night from Nairobi.